Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at a case from Adidas or Adidas, depending where you're from, for your iPhone XR. This is called the grip case. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the grip case from Adidas for your iPhone XR. And as you guys can see for the front, you can definitely pause this and read it for yourself. Wireless charging compatible. It does have a grip band that does actually fold as a kickstand as well. So you do have a way to hold it just like a pop socket and have it as a kickstand, which is pretty dope. On the side it says grip case, and on the back you do see the same information that you probably saw on the back. It does have easy access and it does have drop protection, which is pretty dope as well. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. It does have an open tab here. Let's pop it out. Alright. So when I saw this in person, I was definitely digging the texture of this. It has a weird soft, it's almost like a felt type of feel, or like velvet you could say, but it feels really nice in the hand, and it does have that little glow when you shake it, just like that. Okay, so how this works is you just have to pop this out, and you have these two little things on the side there. You see that? 1, 2, and you have another one right there and right there. So if you guys want the kickstand, you just have to pop that in, or if you want to change it to that one, you could do that one as well. Pop it back into place. But you have several different ways to do it, which is pretty dope. It does work as a kickstand, as I was saying from earlier. But as far as the texture, it's a pretty strong case right here. It's definitely not cheap at all. And you do have the logo for Adidas right there. Let's see if you get it on the inside. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. So here's how it looks in the iPhone XR. Pretty sleek, and it does actually match the red pretty well in my opinion, because you know that black goes with everything. Now, big shout out to Adidas. They are trying to move up in the case game, and they do have this available on their website. So let's see how the lip action is there. Not that much, I could say, but you do get just enough maybe for place down protection when it comes to the front. But for the back, as far as the lip action, let's get a manual view in that. See what that looks like. Alright, there you go. Just enough for protection for the camera. And the lip action is very minimal for the top and the sides, but everything else looks pretty good in my opinion. It feels good in the hand. It's nice and soft, and you do have that option to put it in your hand just like this. If you take a phone call, easy access to the power button, or if you want to use it as a kickstand and watch your Netflix, you could definitely do that as well. So I'm definitely feeling this case. Everything is absolutely perfect when it comes to the cutouts. You have a little bit of lip action for the camera and for the lip action for the front, and the buttons are pretty clicky as well, if you guys could hear that right there. And the power and the standby key is definitely on point as well. So if you guys want to pick up this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone XR and Adidas products. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.